Like any other business in the UAE, companies in the automotive industry need to register for VAT once they cross the threshold for registration. Hey everyone, before we move ahead, please click on the subscribe button to stay updated on our weekly business and finance related content, which is incredibly useful for business owners, CEOs, CFOs, entrepreneurs, and those who aspire to be one. Now let's get back to the video. Like any other business in the UAE, companies in the automotive industry need to register for VAT once they cross the threshold for registration. They would also need to file for returns on a quarterly or a monthly basis, however their tax registration shows them to do. So now let's get into some of the most commonly asked questions for VAT in the automotive industry. How to treat repair services provided for vehicles or parts that are under warranty. VAT is charged at the point of sale of the warranty itself. This could be either along with the sale of the vehicle or could be additionally purchased by the customer. In either case, VAT is charged when the warranty is sold and no VAT needs to be charged when the servicing is done. The next question is, if vehicle maintenance providers or distributors provide warranty or repair services for vehicle manufacturers outside the UAE, is VAT chargeable? If the vehicle is being repaired in the UAE and the cost for this repair is being charged to the manufacturer that's based outside UAE, then VAT must be charged on this cost. Can input VAT be recovered by businesses in the automotive industry? This is a very commonly asked question, mostly because VAT may not be recoverable on purchase or rent of vehicles. However, the input VAT recovery rules is the same for the automotive industry as well, like any other business in the UAE. All input VAT can be claimed except for certain entertainment services, purchases, leased or rented motor vehicles that are available for personal use. Expenses relating to exempt supplies cannot be claimed as well. We've made a separate video discussing this. How do you treat gifts or free samples? We've discussed this in a separate video as well. In general, gifts and free samples are considered as deemed supplies, and therefore the VAT on the value of these gifts or free samples need to be paid. VAT for gifts and free samples do not need to be paid if the relevant input VAT was not recovered on the related goods, the value of supply to each recipient does not exceed 500 dirhams in a 12-month period, or the output tax due for all deemed supplies per person made in the 12-month period is less than 2000 dirhams. From this video you can see that the VAT on the automotive industry is not as complicated as it sounds. Use these frequently asked questions as a guide to understand how to treat these special transactions. Hey everyone, you've reached the end of this video. Thank you all for listening. If you like this content, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you'd like for us to talk about any specific topics, please do let us know in the comments below. Hope to see you in the next video.